Here's my project that I started a couple of years ago by hand dyeing some fabric just to see how it would go. And you can see everything's so random. I just start something and let it be. This bird was my first. It reminds me of Toby, my conure. And then these snail and flower and the big tree over there, which I took it out already once. This tree has pine cones, flowers, no patterns, just I decided to do something not finished by light. Not happy with the leaves that I put in the tree, but that's okay. I want to just keep working on it.